Hey, it's a zebra cat. What brings you here? Don't scratch your paws. Zebra cat, what are you doing? You're happy. I can see you're happy. You're a happy cat. Happy cat. You're very happy, you know. Sleeping. Waking you up is a good idea to not sleep all day, Tails. It's kind of like a bed. You act like a bouncy bed. That's Softy. Softy cats are made from zebras. That's interesting. And scratching paws. I don't know how to use scratching paws. Oh, zebra cat. You're a nice zebra cat. Zebra cats are not used to be here. Maybe this cat is huge. Ow. This zebra cat is hungry. Imagine I need Shrek to raw this cat and scare it away. Yeah. It's a white paw. It comes with the white paws. It comes with these white paws. It comes with the white face and the white mouth. Look at that. It's a stripy tail. This is a nice stripy tail? Ooh, it's a stripy tail as well. Zebra cat is nice.